Hi Diabolo players and jugglers. Today we are looking at one of the most important basic tricks for every Diabolo player, the circular toss. It forms the foundation for many other tricks, such as throwing around the arm, around the leg, or behind the back. It is also suitable as preparation for a trick or as a smooth transition between tricks. It is also a requirement for 2 Diabolos high or the orbit acceleration, the best acceleration method that exists. As you can see, throwing in a circle is suitable for many advanced tricks. In this video, I'll show you the most effective methods for learning it. There are 2 options of learning how to toss in a circle as quickly as possible. Take a look at both options and decide which one is best for you. As always, the tutorial applies to right-handers. If you are left-handed, you will always swap right and left in the following options. Let's look at the first option. The first thing you do is pushing with your playing hand so that the Diabolo moves to the other side. To do this, first pull your hand slightly outwards and then push it towards the Diabolo without touching it. When it has reached the other side, pull your sticks apart for a short moment so that your string is pulled tight and your Diabolo leaves the string. Give the Diabolo a little push with your left hand when it has reached the top end of the string so that it flies to the right. As a beginner, you can concentrate on holding your right stick slightly downwards and your left stick upwards while you give the push to the right. This creates an arc in the air and your Diabolo returns to the other side. If you want to follow up with 2 or more circular tosses, proceed in the same way as before, but do not pull your playing hand outwards to give the Diabolo another swing. Instead, you give the Diabolo a little push with your playing hand so that it picks up a little more momentum for the next circle in addition to the momentum from the air. Let's move to the second option. In this one, you move your 2 sticks to the left side. Now lift your left hand slightly upwards. Then pull only your right hand to the right so that the string is tensioned. The Diabolo will automatically fly to the right as a result of tensioning. Once you have caught it on the right side, bring the right stick back to the left. By keeping your left hand fixed the whole time and pulling your right stick to the right again, the Diabolo gains momentum again to fly to the right. Repeat this movement as often as you like. If you feel more comfortable tossing in a circle, you can relax the left hold and the right pull a little. Here are a few tips that apply to both options. A typical beginner's mistake is to hold the sticks down when doing circular tosses. Hold them up, otherwise the string will lose tension and you will not be able to focus on the Diabolo properly to catch it. Additionally, when throwing to the right, make sure to keep the sticks in line. Otherwise, the Diabolo will become crooked. If it has become crooked, you can correct it again while swinging in a circle by always holding the right stick in the opposite direction to which it is tilted while the Diabolo is moving on the string. For example, if the Diabolo is tilted backwards, then you hold the right stick forwards while the Diabolo swings to the left. That's it for the explanation of both possibilities. As I said, try them both out and choose which one you like better and which one you can learn more quickly how to toss in a circle. See you then, Bastian.